Hey, let me show you how you can connect your Sennheiser Accentum Wireless with any Windows PC. Like in this case, I'm using the Windows 11 HP laptop. So first of all, we have to grab our headphones like this, and we have to take a look for this indicator. You have to click and hold this button and take a look how it works. So when it blinks like this, 3 times red, it means that right now you just turn off your device. So now we have to click and hold it one more time, and we have to wait until this indicator starts blinking white and red. So it will take around few moments of holding this button. There we go, as you can see now it is blinking, so we can release this button and put it close to your laptop. And as you can see now, we already got this Bluetooth request. But if you don't have this request, let me show you how to get this and connect. So go to the start and click on the settings on your PC, then go to the system, to the Bluetooth and devices on the left side. And from this, be sure that you turn on the Bluetooth on your device and click to add device. From this, select Bluetooth device. And as you can see, we can find our headphones on the list. So click on them once with the left mouse button. And now we are successfully connected. So this is it for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.